You guys get his good side.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to another exciting State Trucha fishing video. My name is Louis, and before we get into today's video, I wanted to take this time to thank all of you, my subscribers, for supporting the channel, for watching the videos, liking the videos, leaving me feedback. I really do appreciate it. So shout out to you guys. And I've also realized that I haven't really done a proper introduction. So again, my name is Louis, and I've been fishing for a little bit over a year now. The first time that I picked up a fishing rod was with my buddy John. We went pure fishing at Santa Monica, and we were there for a couple hours. We didn't catch anything, so I kind of just had forgotten about fishing. And then December of 2023, my wife and I were writing down goals for ourselves, and one of the goals that I had chosen was to learn a new skill, and I decided to give fishing another try, because fishing is definitely a skill to it. So yeah, and the rest is kind of history. I've been making these videos for a couple months now. Yeah, and I really enjoy doing them. I really do enjoy making those videos. So yeah, well, anyways, yeah, so let's get into today's video. So today we're getting ready to head out to Diamond Valley Lake. We're going to do a little bit of car camping. So yeah, we're going to be out there. They stocked about 3,500 pounds of rainbow and lightning trout. It's the last stock of the season, so definitely looking forward to that. So yeah, we're going to go meet up with some buddies, and yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Stay trucha, y'all. Hello, good morning. How you doing?
Good.
Just one.
Shoreline?
Yes.
24.
What side did you guys stock on?
On the left.
On that side? The back side? All right, Joe's already on one. Here's the net, bro. Yeah, look at Joe already. Was that like your 5th cast?
Yeah. Let's get it.
That's right.
Yeah, he's all.
Oh, he's chasing it. He's chasing it. He's chasing it. Get it.
Took my fucking jig. He sure did. Nah, he took everything. Yep. Fuck, I already got a fucking retie.
Really? Oh my God.
Come on, baby. Come on. Lightning, baby.
Got him.
Nice.
Got him. Got him. Yes, sir. I saw him take it too.
Oh, yeah. Come on, Louis.
Come on, come on.
You got it?
Yeah, I think so.
Here.
Really? Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh. Try that right there. He's just chilling there.
Oh.
Oh.
That little one out of here.
Yeah.
All right.
Got a lightning.
I don't know.
Yeah. Up or down. Got him.
Yeah.
Got him.
Go to God.
Is it? Where's it at?
Right here in the front.
Oh, yeah.
There it
Here.
is.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Tighten up my fucking drag.
Hang on. There.
Oh, there we go.
My bad. Do this instead.
That's about where you go.
See?
Go, Mike.
You gotta come in.
Get that bend on that rod.
He's stuck in there now.
Oh, no way.
Probably not.
Got him.
Oh, yeah. Thanks, bro.
Yes,
Appreciate
sir.
it.
Yeah, bro. How you, dude?
There you go with God.
That's right.
We gotta work together, man.
Yep.
All right, we got another one.
Let's go. There we go. You guys get his good side.
Nice one, too, bro.
Don't come off. Don't come off. Don't come off.
Come on, Mikey.
We need you over here.
I know, bro.
I eat netter.
Yeah.
Go.
Hell yeah.
Go.
Hell yeah. Thank you,
Go,
bro.
Lewis.
Thank you, my boy.
That's right.
That's right. Nice one.
You know what it's called.
There we go.
Trying to tie him out. No, I'm trying to tie him out. Those ones be feisty, dude.
Yeah, those be feisty.
Oh.
Go for it.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Huh?
You hit him. Fucking.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Try. Oh. Oh, he's going for it. He's going for it.
Is that mine? That is mine.
Yeah.
That's my torpedo. White torpedo.
Oh, he's hungry, bro. Ooh.
Oh, look, here comes the school.
Yeah. Got him. Got him. Thank you, bro. Here,
What color?
I got you.
Orange.
Yeah. Come on, Mr. Lightning. All right, got another one. Yeah.
Very good.
There you
I
go,
gotta
boy.
get one after that.
Yeah.
I'm about to throw a spoon out, bro.
That's our third one.
Hold it, hold it.
Our third one right here, guys.
Lift that one up, whoever that is, Mike.
Oh,
There you go. You're good.
Well, there you have it, guys. Episode 10 is officially in the books. And if you've made it this far, thank you again for supporting the channel. It means a lot to me. And yeah, I had a lot of fun today fishing DVL. Last stocking of the season. Chaotic day fishing shoulder to shoulder with the guys. But nevertheless, had a lot of fun with the guys. So yeah, also just a reminder to support your local small businesses. I'm going to leave a link in the description with some of the bait companies that I use, and highly recommend them. Shout out to Mike from Made Baits, Noel from SND Jigs, and Josue from Got Baits. These guys make some high quality baits that I highly recommend. No, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased these baits with my own money, and like I said, I've been very successful with them. So go check out their social media platforms, Instagram, YouTube. Give them a follow, get you some baits, and hook up on some big fish. So yeah, that's all we have for today, guys. Thank you again, and don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your family, your friends, and as always, don't forget, stay trucha, y'all.